Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change YouTube channel name. So guys, the first thing that you will do is of course go to youtube.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. So now in order for you to change the name, just simply go over here to your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and just simply go for view your channel. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for customize channel over here. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the basic info right over here. And from here, you should be able to see a name. And as you can see, you can only change your name twice in 14 days. So make sure you change the name of your channel in the right way. Now, just simply provide the name that you prefer. And lastly, make sure you publish it over here. And from there, you'll be able to change it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.